In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check how long a Deferit payment will take. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for an estimated processing time and how to stay updated until the bill is fully paid. Start by logging into your Deferit account using the mobile app or the website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so details load correctly. If you're having trouble signing in, use the account recovery options on the login screen rather than creating a new account, so all your bills and timelines stay in one place. Once you're in, head to the Bills tab. This is your dashboard for everything you've uploaded or scheduled. You'll typically see each bill listed with its status, due date, and amount. If you have a lot of bills, use the search or filters to narrow it down to the one you want to check. Select the specific bill you're interested in. Opening the bill will show its details page. This is where you'll see key information like the amount, due date, and the current status. Things like pending, scheduled, or paid. This page is also where Deferit displays the estimated time frame for payment to reach your biller. Look for the payment time frame or expected processing estimate on that bill details page. Deferit will show when the payment is scheduled and approximately how long it usually takes the biller to receive it. Keep in mind that estimates are typically in business days, so weekends and public holidays don't count. Also, some billers process payments at set times of day, which can shift the exact moment they mark your account as paid. If you've just submitted or rescheduled a payment, give the system a moment to refresh the latest estimate. Next, make sure you're tracking notifications. Enable push or email alerts in your account settings so you're notified when the payment is submitted, processed, or if anything needs your attention. Notifications are the quickest way to know if the timeline changes, and they can save you from checking repeatedly. If you notice a delay or you have an urgent bill, open that same bill details page and review the estimate first. If it looks like the payment may not arrive in time, reach out to Deferit support through the in-app help or help center. Include the bill reference, the scheduled date, and a screenshot of the timeline so they can assess faster. If your biller needs reassurance, you can share that a payment has been scheduled, but avoid making a duplicate payment unless you've confirmed the implications with both Deferit and the biller. That's it. Log in, open bills, select your bill, check the time frame, keep notifications on, and contact support if it's urgent. You're all set.